Hello everybody, so now I will show you how to find how many digits in this number in here. So the first thing, we can apply the formula that is about log base of number 10, because for every 10 number in here we have one digit. So we put this one go in here. So we have the formula. So the next one, that is about f and a b equals to f and a plus f and b. And the second one, so we need to transform this one into this one, and that should be like this. And the next one, we need to transform this one into this one, and that is about 2020 go in here, and 1008 go in here. So we calculate this one, and this is about 2018.79. So that means we have 2019 digits. So be careful, if the answer that is about 2018.32, they still consider about 2019 digits in here. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.